5 days in the flat with the odd shopping trip to a supermarket. We really have done nothing for 5 days, and I think, in all honesty, we're just knackered. And then we just kind of got into a bit of a slump where we were all a bit depressed about what are we doing, why are we doing this, are we really getting anything out of it? We were all feeling very, very low, apart from the girls obviously who just got on with it, as they always do. Me and Paul were feeling very low about stuff, and so I think we just wallowed a bit. But today we have come out of our wallowing. We don't know if we're going to keep going, if we're going to go to India at all, or whether we're going to go home and start working on other future plans, because one of the hardest things I think about travelling is that you can't really do much else. So we're sort of travelling around and we're getting to see amazing places, and we're sort of getting to see the world and meet people, but is that doing good for the world? I don't know. You know, are we actually contributing anything to help anyone? And basically I would like to be doing more to help with the current state of the world, what's happening in terms of the environment and things like that. So we will be launching our plastic pilgrimage in the new year. We have been planning that, so that is something we're going to be doing. The amount of plastic we've seen as we've been travelling has just been appalling, and we've been watching David Attenborough's Blue Planet, and just the effect that it's having on the sea is just awful. So that is something we're going to be doing, and we're going to be doing it while travelling, so that is something we can do. But there are still other things that we want to do in life which we haven't done yet, and I don't know if travelling and moving around is giving us the platform to do that. So we've got lots to think about. We've been talking lots about stuff. There's also the financial issue. You know, we can't just we don't have proper incomes doing this. We have some. We need to work out if that's going to sustain us or not, if the business that we're trying to develop, which is extremely difficult to do while on the road, is actually going to happen. So there's so much pressure on us at the moment, and I think that's why we felt so down. But anyway, something's got to give, and we've got to rethink our plans, and this is what you do when you live an adventurous lifestyle. You re-examine situations and you come up with another plan, or you tweak the plan slightly so that it starts to work for what you need. So that's what we're doing. We're kind of going through that transition moment. But today we are
tweaking,
going out in Shanghai. We're going to go hunt some amazing food, meet some lovely people, and forget about our worries for now.
Get Shanghai.
We're going to get Shanghai.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our video. And don't forget to click on like below. Subscribe to the TaawkTV channel.